This video covers NPA3, the blog. This blog also serves as the teamwork project for this course, so be sure to work with your team to get the best possible outcome. You begin with this video explanation and your student learning objectives, as well as several resources and some errors I've seen in the past that you should work to avoid. Of course, there are prior student work samples as well, and then you'll see a new thing called the group area. When you click into this group area, it will only show you your own group's area. You will not be able to see any of the work other groups are doing. In this area, you will have a place for a discussion board where you can discuss things with your group members, and you can share files to help you guys work and get this complete. Please know that when you communicate in a way other than this discussion board, I have no availability to see it, so I must assume that all group members contributed equally and give them an equal grade on their work. You may communicate in other ways. You may even meet face-to-face if you like, but this is not required for this project. Please note that it is a group work project and you are all adults. If there are any issues within your group, then you will need to find a way to work them out yourselves. I will not be judging or adjudicating any group issues. Now let's talk about the assignment itself. You'll need to review the information in Chapter 8 and go through all the information in this unit, particularly the background videos and the samples that are above. Then I want you and your group to find an existing blog that interests you that has current consistent entries, at least 3 in the past month. Look over the blog, note how it's styled, how it's formatted, what it looks like on the screen. When that's complete, you're going to write one article or post for that blog, as if you are its main author or a guest author. When you create it, you're going to create it complete with images and formatting just as you want it to appear on the website. In other words, when I open the page, it should look like I'm looking at a computer screen. You don't have to actually post a blog anywhere, just create everything in a word processing document as if it were online. Now when you do this, each group member will create their own blog post, and then one person will compile them all into one document and submit it in the Submit Assignments area. Each post needs to have a title. It needs to format as if you would like it to appear on the screen. So it's not MLA, it's not double-spaced, it's not black text on a white background with no images. This should be interesting visually as well. It should have no less than 200 and no more than 400 words. You should include 3 images overall in the project. The best way to do this is to have each person include at least 1 image in their article. Any images that are not found under free use must include a caption in an 8-point font that says photo courtesy and has the link to where you got it. Please don't give me the link from the Google search, give me the link from wherever it's actually housed. Photos can be original, so if you are doing, for example, a car blog and you each have pictures of a car that you include that you took it, just make sure you put photo courtesy and your first and last name underneath it. Make sure that you consider the audience of this blog and write at a level of difficulty and formality that's appropriate to them. For example, if you're writing to practicing doctors, you're going to write differently than if you're writing to an 8th grade classroom. Each post should be on its own page with a page break, and each post should include a byline, so it says who wrote that particular article, which member of the group. So, by Joe Smith, under the title for that post. And one person compiles these and puts them all together in a single entry, and make sure that all the styling is consistent throughout the different articles. It does not have to have any research or have sources other than photo attribution, but if you are doing research or including statistics and information like that, please do include the sources and somehow cite them within your article. When it's done, after everything is turned in, each one of you will individually go to the Submit Assignments tab and look for a survey called Teamwork Evaluation. This is its own separate grade, and it is something that each one of you will turn in. The blog itself is something that only one group member will turn in. If you have any questions on this, please do email rather than guessing, and good luck.